Christmas lunch still makes me feel panicked.
Somehow on Christmas Day I'm literally like, oh God, oh God, maybe I'm gonna overcook the roast potatoes.
I just don't get stressed out about Christmas because I revert to being a child.
Yeah, but you don't do anything.
I don't do anything.
I think we've had to like recreate traditions because obviously the turkey we had growing up isn't what we all want to eat now. So we've developed like 3 or 4 dishes that we kind of eat around Christmas. I feel like vegetarian centrepiece is always really amazing when you're having people round or at Christmas. That's why something like roast squash is amazing because you can put it in the oven, it sits. It doesn't even really need to be reheated because it has its own like natural lid. You hollow it out and then you put oil in it and you roast it first, and then we make like a freque, chilli, and we roast some fennel. You serve it in wedges with crispy oats on the top, so you get like loads of different flavours. Christmas can be like so heavy, kind of everything can be like, ooh. And so you want something like fresh to interrupt it and be like a bit of a crunch.
Kales and big greens. Cavolo Nero is good.
Such a good colour. Quite often at Christmas, rather than a starter, we'll just have like some little things to hand round or some little nibbles, and that's when like a nice loaf of bread is amazing.
I like to have the table laid before people arrive. Have you got good cutlery? Got your napkins if you need them.
Nice candles.
Set the mood on your table as much as it is on the food.
I will quite often just use herbs in the garden, lay a bit of that on each plate, so you're not like worried about hand calligraphying name cards or whatever. It's just about.
I would quite like to be that person though.
People do want to like take pictures. Layering is quite nice, whether it's a plate, then a napkin, then your side plate on top, and your cutlery on top of that with like a little sprig of something. It just kind of creates some like height and texture without actually having to go out and buy loads more stuff.
My favourite thing in life is sitting around a table eating with the people that I love. So Christmas is just that experience.
Yeah, me too, definitely.